Please don't forget to follow us on social media and visit our website stateofdata.com for more free educational resources and daily quizzes on Python, machine learning, and data-related disciplines. So here's the answer. The first one is always equivalent, and the reason for that, we had our code here that has if false, false will never be true, so we'll never actually run the break and we'll never reach that code. So we'll skip that part and we will jump right to the S block. The second one is not equivalent, and the reason for that is that the break statement will stop the loop, and if we go through the loop twice, in this case we would only ever go through the statement once, since after we go through the statement once, we reach the break and then we're done. The third one is not equivalent, so there we're having a while true and that will run forever, except for we have the break and that would stop it. The problem is, if the test condition for the break is the same as the test condition for the while, the final one is the most complicated. This one actually always equivalent. The reason for that is if we think through the execution, so in the original loop, if the test condition is true, we ask to give the statement S and then we keep going. If the test condition is true the second time, we execute S again and we keep going. If we look at what happened in here, if the test condition is true, we execute S. Then if the test condition is true again, we execute S and we keep going. That has the same behavior as the original code. If it is not true the second time, then we would go to the else. So it's not true, we go to the else and then we go to the break, and the break gets out of the loop. So the first one and the fourth one are correct, are equivalent, and the others are not. I hope this has been clear for you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me, and I'll see you on the next lecture. Thank you.